Nutella Mocha Latte Fizz, easy café-style drink at home. Hey sweet friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a latte that tastes like pure chocolate hazelnut heaven Nutella Mocha Latte. It's rich, creamy, and has that dreamy Nutella flavor blended with bold espresso and silky steamed milk. This drink is perfect for cozy mornings, dessert cravings, or anytime you want a café-style treat at home. Grab your mug and let's make it. Ingredients: 1-2 shots espresso or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, 3/4 cup milk whole, oat, almond, or your favorite 1/2 tablespoons Nutella, more if you like it extra rich, 1 teaspoon unsweetened cocoa powder optional, for deeper mocha flavor 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract optional topping, whipped cream, chocolate drizzle, crushed hazelnuts, cocoa dust. Directions: start by brewing your espresso or strong coffee, and set it aside. In a small saucepan over low heat, warm the milk until steaming but not boiling. Add the Nutella and whisk continuously until it fully melts into the milk and becomes smooth and chocolatey. If you want a stronger mocha taste, whisk in the cocoa powder too. Remove from heat and stir in vanilla extract if using. Now froth the Nutella milk using a handheld frother, whisk, or by carefully shaking it in a sealed jar. This helps create that café-style foam on top. Pour your espresso into a mug, then slowly add the Nutella milk mixture. Spoon the foam over the top and finish with whipped cream, chocolate drizzle, and a sprinkle of crushed hazelnuts for the ultimate Nutella vibe. And that's it. Sweet friends, your Nutella Mocha Latte is ready to enjoy. It's warm, rich, and tastes like a cozy coffee shop dessert in a cup. Perfect for treating yourself, sharing with friends, or satisfying that chocolate craving fast. If you try this latte, let me know in the comments how you topped yours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description: https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.